So we're going into a theme park today, and it should be really fun. We just checked our hotel for continental breakfast, and there are no boiled eggs.
Well, we've stayed there before, and they had hard-boiled eggs.
So we were just thinking that's what we're gonna have for breakfast. So I guess we're gonna eat inside the park. I am over at Pim's Kitchen, and I ordered some bacon.
If you're not satisfied with the entrees, look and see if you can just order the side. And that's what I chose to get for breakfast today, sides of bacon.
So there's our breakfast. We are having lunch at Flo's Cafe, and we got spicy guacamole bacon cheeseburgers. Let me show it to you. They actually look pretty good. I took off all the buns, 100 million buns, and I was super happy to find that they had pickles that they gave them to us with. It comes with fries. Cuties, I won't be eating the oranges, but I have learned for myself I have to not even see the fries because I will want the fries. So that's why I ordered the oranges instead of the fries. There wasn't an option to have no side and just the burger.
Going to Blaze Pizza today was a pre-plan, but I went ahead and put it into your chronometer so that I could see if it would work out with my macros and if I was willing to eat the keto crust there. So it's actually really delicious and we enjoyed ourselves. Hey, we're having brunch at the Banquet Barbecue. Here's chicken and pork belly and beef skewers. If you order on the Disneyland app, you can get it without sauce. So it's super yummy. We love it.
What do you have there?
I've got me, it's a mace of meat.
Mace of meat?
Yeah, poultry mace, yeah. It's a turkey leg.
One of my favorite things about Disneyland is the turkey leg. It's always a great option for protein. I know that I'll be full if I eat it, so it's super great. Blue Bayou had a prime rib option at the restaurant. We were also excited to find out that it had the bolognese sauce with the crab. Oh, so yummy.
Yeah, overall a good day eating keto at Disneyland.
Yeah.